In recent years, the number of plant-based protein powders available has skyrocketed. The popularity of plant-based diets and people avoiding dairy has many seeking out an alternative to whey protein. But with so many options available, it can be hard to know if your plant protein powder is healthy and provides well-rounded nutrition, truly harnessing the power of plants. In our deep dive analysis to find the best plant-based protein powder, we found impressive products full of whole food, plant-based nutrients from a variety of legumes, ancient grains, nuts, and seeds. Some formulations also included probiotics, digestive enzymes, antioxidant blends, and adaptogens. Other products fell into the not-so-impressive category, with plant-based ingredients that had been stripped of vitamins, minerals, and fiber so the protein content would be boosted. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Criteria to find the best plant-based protein powder. Number 1. Taste is criteria number 1. If it doesn't taste good, it doesn't make the cut. These protein powders mixed with just water, shaken with dairy and non-dairy milks such as almond milk, and blended into smoothies. Number 2. Protein source. These powders checked in order to make sure the source and amount of plant-based protein in the powders is appropriate and of good quality to supply a variety of essential and non-essential amino acids, and complete protein profiles. Number 3. Ingredient quality. Blends that were made from plant sources grown in quality organic soil and those that were sourced responsibly and provided ingredient traceability are favored. Number 4. Certifications and third-party testing. When it comes to nutritional powders and other supplements, certifications and verified third-party testing are some of the best ways to ensure the quality, truthfulness, and good manufacturing practices of what's in the product. That is why plant-based protein powders that had certifications, such as certified organic, non-GMO project verified, certified gluten-free, and those that could prove they had undergone third-party lab testing are favored. Number 5. Efficacy, calories, amino acid profile, vitamin and mineral content, carbs, fats, fiber, probiotic blends, and much more are checked to make sure the numbers and variety of these nutrients are in an appropriate range for how plant protein powders are commonly used. Number 6. Sweetener. Through sampling of dozens and dozens of plant protein powders, it was discovered there are not many blends available that don't include a sweetener. Most powders are sweetened with stevia or monk fruit or a combination of those. Sometimes the sweetener level is appropriate, while other times the sweetener is off-putting, overwhelming, or created a yucky aftertaste. Number 7. Price and availability. The price is determined per serving, as well as how easily someone can purchase each product at a local store or directly online. According to the Real Food Dietitians, the 7 best plant-based protein powders are: Number 1. Ora Plant-Based Superfood Protein. This impressive blend is lean and clean, just as the name implies. In addition to the plant-based protein in each serving, you get a loaded superfood blend made from dehydrated organic berries, veggies, and coconut milk. The protein comes from organic pea protein, rice, amaranth, quinoa, and sacha inchi seeds. 2 scoops provides 21 to 23 grams of protein per serving, depending on the flavor. This plant protein powder incorporates an organic 19 superfoods and whole food blend, including cranberry, apple, blackberry, acerola, blueberry, broccoli, Jerusalem artichoke, kale, pomegranate, strawberry, turmeric, coconut milk, and more. Also included is a digestive enzyme blend to improve nutrient absorption, as well as 6 to 7 grams of iron. Ora is USDA organic certified and third-party tested with 4 accredited lab partners, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. It contains 0 grams of added sugar. The flavored versions are sweetened with organic monk fruit and organic stevia. It is unflavored and unsweetened, vanilla, chocolate, vanilla chai. Number 2. Ascent Plant Protein. You can use this powder to fuel your heavy lifting and CrossFit workouts. It is one plant-based protein powder that is good even when just mixed with water. This plant-based protein powder contains a blend of pea protein, sunflower seed protein, and pumpkin seed protein. A large single scoop provides 25 grams of protein and a complete amino acid profile, including 4 grams of branched-chain amino acids for muscle building and recovery. It contains high amount of amino acids. Also noteworthy is the short ingredient list and high iron content. Ascent is USDA organic certified, certified gluten-free, and third-party tested by Informed Sport certified, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. This powder contains 0 grams of added sugar. It is sweetened with organic stevia. Its flavors are chocolate, vanilla bean. Number 3. KOS Organic Plant Protein. This is a great tasting, high-quality plant-based protein. And it is especially exciting to find a quality, organic option that is very reasonably priced. It has many flavor options, which would mean your smoothie routine would never be boring. In case you're wondering, KOS is named after an ancient Greek island and the birthplace of Hippocrates, the famous Greek physician. The plant protein source here is mostly organic pea protein, with some flax seed and quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia. 2 scoops provides 20 grams of soy-free protein with no fillers. This powder has all digestive enzymes, an organic fruit and veggie blend for boosted vitamin and mineral content, and satiating fats from coconut milk. KOS is USDA organic certified, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. A serving has 2 grams of added sugar from coconut sugar, and this powder also contains stevia and monk fruit extract. That being said, our team thought this had one of the best tasting flavor profiles and smallest sweetener aftertaste of the many we sampled. It is unflavored, vanilla, chocolate, chocolate chip mint, chocolate peanut butter, salted caramel coffee, blueberry muffin. Number 4. Mary Ruth's Organic Protein Powder. When tasting so many plant-based protein powders, it was off-putting to see just how many products contain an unpleasant aftertaste from stevia leaf or monk fruit. There was a need to track down the best-tasting, highest-quality plant-based protein powder that doesn't contain stevia, monk fruit, or another natural or artificial sweetener. Enter Mary Ruth's. This is the protein powder for those who prefer the taste of regular cane sugar over low-calorie sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. While that does mean you get some grams of added sugar in your protein powder, what you don't get is any unpleasant aftertaste. This single-source protein comes from organic pumpkin seeds. A single scoop provides 14 grams of protein, including 18 amino acids. Pumpkin seed protein does tend to be more gritty, so we found that this powder was best when blended into smoothies, rather than just mixed into water or other liquids. Mary Ruth's is USDA organic certified and the chocolate is fair trade. It has low cost for an organic, fair trade powder, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. This powder is one of the few flavored plant-based protein powders that is sweetened only with organic cane sugar. No other sweeteners or sugars are used and it comes only in chocolate flavor. Number 5. Garden of Life Organic Plant Protein. Adding a scoop or 2 to protein shakes is not the only way these plant-based powders can be used. You can easily add some to baked goods and other treats. Simply stir the powder into the batter to boost the protein content of everything from energy balls and cookies to muffins and pancakes. This is a nice way to increase the lasting power of these treats so you'll feel full for longer and won't be reaching for another snack between meals. It is a high-quality protein source that didn't leave a chalky aftertaste in baked goods, which many plant protein powders tend to do. Instead, it blended in smoothly and even provided a subtle and delicious vanilla flavor. It's especially good in these vegan protein bars. The protein comes from an organic blend of pea, tapioca flour, chia seed, flax seed, cranberry, baobab fruit, and pumpkin seed. A single scoop provides 15 grams of protein, including 18 amino acids. This blend includes a 2-lactobacillus strain, providing 1 billion CFU of probiotics. Also included is an enzyme blend for easier absorption of nutrients. You really can't beat Garden of Life standards when it comes to traceability of ingredients to their farmer partners. All Garden of Life products are USDA certified organic and their third-party certifications are numerous, also dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. There are 0 grams of added sugars in a serving. The flavored Garden of Life plant proteins are sweetened with organic stevia extract and erythritol. The unflavored type contains no sweeteners. It is unflavored, unsweetened, smooth vanilla, smooth chocolate, smooth coffee, and smooth energy. For baking, the unflavored, vanilla, and chocolate powders is recommended. Number 6. Ritual Essential Protein Daily Shake Pregnancy and Postpartum. If you just need a routine with your nutrition, Ritual could be a good choice for you. When you place an order, you sign up for a subscription. So, you can time it so your supplement refill will be automatically sent to you just as you're running out. Convenient. As for the Ritual protein powder, the taste and easy, creamy blending are great. And their pregnancy and postpartum shake is a clean, simple powder, supplying the right amount of plant-based protein and choline for pregnant and lactating women. This powder contains a single-source protein from USA-grown organic pea protein. Ritual complements its pea protein with added L-methionine for a more complete amino acid profile. A single scoop provides 20 grams of protein, an ideal digestible amount for women in one sitting. Choline is a nutrient of high importance for pregnant and lactating women. It is necessary to support the brain and neural tube development of unborn and breastfeeding babies. A serving of Ritual contains 250 milligrams of choline, which is among the highest we found. Also, the addition of organic coconut oil to supply quick-digesting healthy fats. This powder also boasts 3 grams of fiber per serving from the pea protein. Though Ritual is not USDA organic certified, it does contain mostly organic ingredients. Their products are third-party tested by Informed Sport certified, also dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. The Ritual powders are sweetened with fermented sugarcane and monk fruit, which is nice. It comes only in vanilla, which has subtle nuances of caramel and hints of spice. Number 7. Natri Vegan Protein Powder. When all criteria are taken into consideration, Natri Vegan Protein Powder is a clear winner. You can confidently name this the best plant-based protein powder based on taste, nutrient profile, ingredient quality, flavors, and cost. The protein comes from a blend of organic pea, pumpkin seed, and brown rice protein. 1 scoop provides 25 grams of protein. This dairy-free powder includes an organic whole grain and seeds blend made of amaranth, quinoa, chia, and flaxseed to boost healthy fats, B vitamins, and fiber. It also includes an organic greens powder of kale, broccoli, and spinach to add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And this powder also contains a 4 blend of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains to provide 1.1 billion CFU of probiotics. We loved that it also provides 45% of the DV for iron. This product is not USDA organic certified but is made from mostly organic ingredients. It is non-GMO project verified and third-party tested by Informed Sports certified, also dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. It has 0 grams of added sugar. The flavored versions are sweetened with stevia. It is unflavored and unsweetened, French vanilla wafer sundae, fudge brownie, strawberry shortcake, peanut butter parfait. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.